What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrency is decentralized digital money, supported blockchain technology. You'll be conversant in the four most popular versions, Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there are quite 5,000 different cryptocurrencies in circulation. Consistent with coinlore.io, you can use crypto to shop for regular goods and services, although many of us invest in cryptocurrencies as they might in other assets, like stocks or precious metals. While cryptocurrency may be a novel and exciting asset class, purchasing it are often risky, as you want to combat a good amount of research to completely understand how each system works. How does cryptocurrency work? A cryptocurrency may be a medium of exchange that's digital, encrypted and decentralized. Unlike the US dollar or the euro, there's no central authority that manages and maintains the worth of a cryptocurrency. Instead, these tasks are broadly distributed among a cryptocurrency's users via the web. Bitcoin was the primary cryptocurrency, first outlined in theory by Satoshi Nakamoto during a 2008 paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Nakamoto described the project as an electronic payment system supported cryptographic proof rather than trust. That cryptographic proof comes within the sort of transactions that are verified and recorded during a sort of program called a blockchain. What is a blockchain? A blockchain is an open, distributed ledger that records transactions in code. In practice, it's a touch sort of a checkbook that's distributed across countless computers round the world. Transactions are recorded in blocks that are then linked together on a chain of previous cryptocurrency transactions. Imagine a book where you write down everything you spend money on every day, says Buchi Okoro, CEO and co-founder of African cryptocurrency exchange Quidax. Each page is analogous to a block, and therefore the entire book, a gaggle of pages, may be a blockchain. With a blockchain, everyone who uses a cryptocurrency has their own copy of this book to make a unified transaction record. Software logs each new transaction because it happens, and each copy of the blockchain is updated simultaneously with the new information, keeping all records identical and accurate. To prevent fraud, each transaction is checked using one among two main validation techniques. Proof of labor or proof of stake. How are you able to mine cryptocurrency? Mining is how new units of cryptocurrency are released into the planet, generally in exchange for validating transactions. While it's theoretically possible for the typical person to mine cryptocurrency, it's increasingly difficult in proof-of-labor systems, like Bitcoin. As the Bitcoin network grows, it gets more complicated and more processing power is required, says Spencer Montgomery, founding father of Uinta Crypto Consulting. The average consumer wants to be ready to do that, but now it's just too expensive. There are too many of us who have optimized their equipment and technology to outcompete. And remember, proof-of-labor cryptocurrencies require huge amounts of energy to mine. It's estimated that 0.21% of all of the world's electricity. While it's impractical for the typical person to earn crypto by mining during a proof-of-labor system, the proof-of-stake model requires less within the way of high-powered computing as validators are chosen randomly supported the quantity they stake. It does, however, require that you simply already own a cryptocurrency to participate. If you've got no crypto, you've got nothing to stake. How are you able to use cryptocurrency? You can use cryptocurrency to form purchases, but it's not a sort of payment with mainstream acceptance quite yet. A couple of online retailers like bedding, furniture, electronics, jewelry, clothing and more accept Bitcoin. It's far away from the norm. This might change within the near future, however. Payments giant PayPal recently announced the launch of a replacement service which will allow customers to shop for, hold and sell cryptocurrency from their PayPal accounts. That's huge, Montgomery says. If PayPal was considered a bank, they'd be the 21st largest bank within the world, and that they are giving access to all or any of their users. They're getting to make it easy for people to send their crypto. Until crypto is more widely accepted, you'll work around current limitations by exchanging cryptocurrency for gift cards. At eGifter, as an example, you'll use Bitcoin to shop for gift cards for Dunkin' Donuts, Target, Apple and choose other retailers and restaurants. You'll even be ready to load cryptocurrency to an open-end credit to form purchases. In the US, you'll check in for the BitPay card, an open-end credit that converts crypto